Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Wear a NIOSH-approved respirator with P100 filters when using chemical strippers. Put on chemical-resistant gloves and eye protection before any work begins. Mask off glass and trim with 5 feet of protective sheeting and tape. Work outdoors or in a ventilated bay with cross-ventilation when possible. Test a hidden panel first for 10 minutes to confirm chemical compatibility. Keep a fire extinguisher rated for solvents nearby during any stripping operation. Apply a gel chemical stripper in a 1/8-inch layer and wait 15 to 30 minutes. Work in sections no larger than 2 square feet to maintain effective dwell time. Scrape softened paint with a plastic scraper at a 30-degree angle to avoid metal gouging. Use a small brass brush for intricate seams and crevices where scrapers cannot reach. Neutralize the surface with water or manufacturer reducer before sanding to remove residue. Dry completely and inspect for residual paint, or start sanding with 180 grit, then progress to 320 grit before primer application. Use a random orbital sander at 5,000 to 8,000 orbit per minute for even removal without visible swirl marks. Hand sand edges and contours with flexible sanding blocks to preserve panel shape. Remove all sanding dust with compressed air or a vacuum rated for fine particles. After final sanding, wipe with a lint-free cloth and 70% isopropyl alcohol to ensure proper adhesion. Apply a high-quality epoxy primer within 2 hours of cleaning for best results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.